Alright, we've got the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield EZ. This is the 9mm, but it also works for the 380. They're both the same. Alright, so I've checked it. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. And it's already locked back, so we're going to leave it locked back. We're going to take your little lever right here. We're going to pull it down. Just like that. We're going to pull the safety off, release it forward, slide it off. Alright, so this is fully disassembled for cleaning. We're going to take our rod, we're going to push it up, out just like that. I'm going to push it this way and out just like that. So now this is fully disassembled to clean it. So you can go clean it, come back, and then check the second half out for us reassembling it. Alright, so we're back. We're going to reassemble it. We're going to take our slide, we're going to take the barrel, we're going to go in at an angle. Lock it back just like that. It'll lock in just like that. And then we're going to take the small end of the rod, not the large, but the small. We're going to go toward the hole right there. We're going to go in just like that. We're going to sit it down in its little groove. Alright, so this one's got, it's got your flat spot, so make sure if you see that flat spot you get the beveled end, not the flat, the round end down in your groove down in there. Alright, so that's ready to go. And then we're going to take right here, we're going to align with our frame right here. We're going to line it in our little grooves right here. So we're going to go back right here. Alright, we're going to lock it back. Slide lock here. Good to go. Alright, so it's reassembled and it's ready to load and go do some shooting.